Welcome to the TradeXchange Midday Roundup for the 28th of April 2015. In a review of the futures markets, we have S&P 500 futures are higher by 4.5 handles at 2109.25. Dow futures are higher by 52.00 at 18052. We have Nasdaq higher by 4.25 at 4529.00. West Texas Intermediate crude higher by 0.1 at $57.09. Gasoline lower by 0.0091 at 1.9999. Natural gas higher by 0.025 at 2.539. And heating oil is higher as well by 0.0013 at 1.9227. Gold is higher by $10 at $1,213.10. Silver is higher by 0.196 at $16.63.5. On the Treasury side, the 5-year is currently at 1.382, the 10-year is at 1.973, and the 30-year is at 2.669. On the currency side, we have the DXY, the dollar index, currently at 96.145, lower by 62.62. The euro is currently at 1.0979, higher by 0.0092. Pound sterling currently at 1.5313, higher by 0.0095. In a review of economic news from this morning into today, we did have the UK GDP numbers come out at quarter over quarter, higher by 0.3%. Consensus was 0.5%. Prior was 0.6%. As a reminder, we do have the FOMC meeting beginning today. Consumer confidence comes in at a month-over-month number of 95.2. Expected was 102.2. Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index month-over-month was lower by 3. Expected was to be lower by 2. Previous was lower by 8. The S&P Case-Shiller Composite Index came in at 5.03%. Expected was 4.7%. That's a year-over-year number for February. Previous number was 4.56. In some notable insider transactions from today, we have CPRX, a purchase of 15,000 shares by a director at $3.71. OPK, Opco Health, where the CEO purchasing 8,800 shares at $14.47. And we had HEB, 100,000 shares were purchased at 24 cents by the CFO. In some secondaries this morning, in syndicates, ABBV, we have an automatic debt shelf, FRPT of 5.3 million shares offering for selling holders. GWPH, we had an offering. HOTR filing shelf registration. LEAF to sell 22.7 million shares. NMFC, $100 million mixed shelf offering. Also SLW, a $2 billion mixed shelf offering. On the dividend side, we had AAPL raises dividends to 52 cents. APU raises dividends to 92 cents. EXLP raises dividends to 56 cents. And RBC raises dividends to 23 cents. In some notable option activity for today, we had we had the May 17.5 call buying at $1.22, 1,800 contracts. PPC, we did have the June 25 call activity, that's in PPC. Also in PMCS, we had the May 9 put buying at 55 cents, over 2,100 contracts. Thank you for joining us with the TradeXchange Midday Roundup for the 28th of April. See you in the forum.